this is Clay Rivenbark with Tameron Honda. I want to thank you so much for your internet inquiry on this 2015 Mazda CX-5. I noticed you had a couple questions about navigation. No, this vehicle does not have navigation. And every Mazda CX-5 of this year will have a button for navigation, but that doesn't necessarily mean it has it. So if you're looking at other makes and if you're looking at other dealers and looking at other ones, keep that in mind. This vehicle is in great shape. It's got a great set of Michelin tires on it. It's got the blind spot indicators, and it's got the blind spot indicators in the mirrors, as well as your turn signals that are embedded in the mirrors. This specific one does have 2 keys. As you can see, the interior is super clean. And again, this is what I was referring to. You notice that this button right here says nav. But unless it's integrated into the head unit, it will not have nav. It's just a way that Mazda saves money by mass producing the entire setup. Only some of them will have the software capable to be able to give you navigation though. You do have your full Bluetooth controls, as well as a ton of room back here in the back. And these seats, all you have to do is pull this handle here, it'll lay those seats down, giving you way more cargo space. This vehicle, the previous owner, also equipped it with a trailering and towing bar. So you pull a few thousand pounds, a small trailer, whatever you want to do, and pull it behind it. So what I need you to do, Nancy, is give me a call, 256-600-6525, or shoot me an email back. Feel free to text me, send a smoke signal, or send a homing pigeon. I'd love to hear from you and set up a time for you to come take a look at this and a couple other vehicles I have that may strike your interest. Again, my name's Clay. Again, my name's Clay Rivenbark with Tameron Honda here in Hoover, and I can promise you one thing: when you come here to Tameron Honda in Hoover, you're going to love the way you're treated.